Hi, let's discuss table of content of TOC lecture. I will not read all the topic. Just pause the video and find your required topic and directly go to that topic. From chapter 1.1 till chapter 1.6, its introduction. Here expressive power is important, countable and uncountable is important. Then from chapter 1.7, all are about DFA construction. Till chapter 1.24, you will see lots of DFA design for different languages. 1.25 its complement. From 1.26 I started NFA. Then I designed NFA for several languages. 1.29 convert NFA to DFA. 1.30 it is epsilon NFA. How to find E closure. Then some example of epsilon NFA. 1.34 this is decision property of finite automata. This is important. You will get question on undecidability from this. Then minimization of FA. There I discussed two methods. One is state equivalence, one is stable filling method. Chapter 1.37 compound automata. There I discussed how to design finite automata for intersection or and, then or union, then for difference, concatenation, reverse, how to find prefix, suffix. Chapter 1.48 regular expression. I discussed lots of example. 1.52 it is Arden's theorem, how to convert finite automata to regular expression. Then 1.54 it is state elimination method, finite automata to regular expression conversion. Then 1.56 method of synthesis, that is regular expression to finite automata conversion. Then 1.57 regular expression to finite automata conversion method of decomposition. Then 1.60 some single alphabet DFA. 1.61 closure property of regular language. 1.63 pumping lemma. 1.66 Murray machine. 1.68 Millie machine. Murray machine and Millie machine is not that important for GATE exam. So you can just go through the structure of Murray machine and Millie machine, that will be enough. Next, chapter 2 context-free language. 2.1 grammar introduction. 2.3 regular grammar. I discussed different regular grammar. 2.6 context-free grammar. Then 2.8 that is Chomsky hierarchy. I discussed different type of grammar structure. Then 2.9 right linear grammar to finite automata and finite automata to right linear grammar conversation. 2.10 left linear grammar to finite automata and finite automata to left linear grammar conversation. Then 2.12 simplification of CFG. There I discuss how to remove null production, unit production and useless symbol. Chapter 2.13 about CNF, 2.14 about GNF. Next 2.16 decision property of CFG, 2.17 push down automata. I discussed lots of PDA design for different type of language. Next 2.24 is closure property of DCFL and closure property of CFL. 2.25 is pumping lemma. Next chapter 3 recursive enumeral language. 3.1 Turing machine introduction. Till 3.10 I discuss different Turing machine design for regular language, context-free language and recursive enumerable language. Chapter 3.11 it is recursive set versus recursive enumerable set and closure property of both. This lecture is most important from chapter 3. You will get lots of questions from this lecture. Then 3.12 it is Turing machine as a transducer. Then 3.14 it is LBA context sensitive grammar and context sensitive language and closure property. Chapter 4 it is undecidability. 4.1 undecidable, you will get lots of questions from undecidable. Then 4.2 Rice theorem, 4.3 reducibility and post correspondence problem. Important is undecidable and reducibility. Thank you.